Hey guys, it's Privojan here, and you're watching Genius Talks episode 5. And today, the big news out there is the rumor of Ronaldo's transfer to Chelsea. So, today we have with us here Orko Maiti, who will be joining me in this discussion to discuss about whether this rumor is true or not and what are the pros and cons of this rumor. So, let's get started without hesitating a moment. And first of all, I'll read the 4 news reports that claim that Ronaldo is coming to Chelsea. The first report is from Sports Bible. It says Cristiano Ronaldo linked with a sensational transfer back to the Premier League. Cristiano Ronaldo has been linked with a shock transfer to Premier League giants Chelsea for 120 million. The Blues have already confirmed the signing of Ajax's Hakim Ziyech this summer, and Timo Werner of RB Leipzig has reportedly agreed terms with the club. However, real big business hasn't even started yet, according to Global Press per Marca. Frank Lampard's side are reportedly interested in 5-time Ballon d'Or winner, and the fee is around what Juventus paid to sign Ronaldo from Real. Okay, guys, so the second report is from GiveMeSport.com. Chelsea linked with a sensational 120 million euros move for Juventus star Cristiano Ronaldo. Chelsea have been linked with a sensational summer move for Cristiano Ronaldo. The Blues have already looked impressive in the transfer window, and it hasn't even opened yet. Lampard's side has already agreed a 40 million euro deal with Ajax's Hakim Ziyech, who will arrive at Stamford Bridge on July 1. Timo Werner is also expected to move to London. While the Blues are trying to get the deal across the line, it seems that they also have eyes on a bigger transfer, one for Juventus star Cristiano Ronaldo. And the third site is republicworld.com. Chelsea plots stunning move for Juventus star Cristiano Ronaldo worth 120 million euros report. The Premier League outfit have offered the Serie A giants Juventus 120 million euros for securing the services of Cristiano Ronaldo in the summer, and it has been confirmed by Don Ballon via Calcio Market. Now, what's more shocking in this transfer rumor is the fact that Chelsea has been enthusiastic about this transfer in their social media platform on Instagram, and they've also published about this transfer rumor on their website. So that's some really shocking news. And today we have with us Orko Maiti here. So what do you think, Orko? Will this transfer even go through? Can Chelsea sign Cristiano Ronaldo?
I don't think so that transfer is very much in on the line because Chelsea in this transfer window I've seen that they are trying to make smart transfers and they have already made 2 great transfers and already their forward line is stacked up. So I don't think that they need another forward, and also although Juventus need money in this situation, coronavirus situation, but anyways, they were also planning to sell him, Ronaldo, but I don't see Chelsea as a potential prospect as Chelsea already have so many forwards, and also they are gonna spend big on Chilwell and maybe another centre back. So they might save the money for them and not go for another forward because and they would look forward to develop their youngsters, Abraham Pulisic and Mount, and they are the future of Chelsea. So they would like to integrate them more in the squad. And so Ronaldo is not needed at the moment, and uh, also I don't think that the transfer will go through.
But you see what, Orko, the thing is that Chelsea have been linked with Kai Havertz, but Real Madrid is also in the race to sign Havertz. But if Real signs Havertz, Chelsea will need someone to fill the gap. So I think they are looking for Ronaldo because of this prospect. And no club is so enthusiastic about a transfer rumor on social media platform like Instagram that they give a sponsored post on particularly this rumor. So what do you think on this?
It's just to create the hype. Each and every club likes to post about these rumors on their website so that they can create the hype and make their fans much more engaged into that. Uh, and Kai Havertz, as we have seen, Real Madrid are in for him, Bayern are in for him, and Chelsea are also in for him. But if Chelsea sign Havertz, it would be an overkill for the other players in their squad.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
Chelsea has
They
no
have
reason.
Willian, Pedro, and many other attackers who can fill that gap. And they are signing so many attackers. I think they
Willian
need a
and
defender like Chilwell right now.
but you see that Pedro and Willian are gonna move out. They would be transferred. It's a very big news now with the Barcelona went in for Willian, and Pedro will also go somewhere in maybe to Spain. So but they still have many players in their ranks. So
Considering the fact that
and I think have and Bayern are looking to sign Leroy Sané, and Bayer Leverkusen are asking too much for Havertz. So I also think that Havertz he might stay this season. And next season he might move to a bigger club, but this season it's very tough to pull off 100 million transfer for any club. And may that be Real Madrid because they are saving for Mbappe, Haaland, and many other youngsters. And
But you
they
see,
are
what
looking
Chelsea have
to
been doing is that last season they sold Hazard and Morata. They had too much money from that. Then what happened? They did not spend money in the transfer window because they were banned. But then when the ban was lifted up, they also did not spend money, and that's why fans were very angry on Chelsea because they did not spend any money in the second transfer window when the ban was
but
uplifted.
now they have got the transfer they wanted. They got Ziyech and Warner, and they have filled up the positions they needed the most. And now defense is the main priority. They need a centre back and a left back, and so they must go for Chilwell, which they are. And I think Chilwell to Chelsea is very
Okay, so
much
keeping
in
aside what
the
Chelsea needs right now, let's focus on what happens. I don't know whether it happens or not, but let's see what happens when if Ronaldo joins Chelsea. The advantages and disadvantages. So first of all, you see that Ronaldo is a 35-year-old about to retire chap. So will Lampard sign a 35-year-old about to retire chap, or a 20-year-old who is a rising star and the best underdog who plays in an underdog team and is the best rising star right now at this moment? So if Chelsea have 120 million euros for Cristiano Ronaldo, why not spend it on Kai Havertz or any other player?
yeah, they should spend it on Kai Havertz rather than spending on Cristiano. And Chelsea's strategy has been very clear with Marina. She has been trying to get in all the good players at the right price, and who will get into the team very quickly, and they will settle in. So going for Ronaldo is a very much a deviation from that strategy. So I don't think they would do that. And if he comes. Yeah, he's a top player. He adds quality to any team he goes into. He increases their quality very much, and so he's a professional. So, uh, but
Exactly. That's what I'm
Warner,
trying to
Ziyech,
put the spotlight onto because you see, even if Ronaldo comes for 2 years, even if he plays for 2 years in Chelsea, he can make a huge impact on Chelsea. So I think they
uh,
should go for the
all
transfer till.
yeah, they should. They might, but that also depends on Cristiano. I don't think
Look,
he
we
will
all
want to
know
move
that
to
he
Chelsea.
was he was already interested to move out of Juventus because first of all, Juventus cannot pay him his salary annually, and then the second reason is Juventus is not the kind of team where Cristiano can play because you can make a team of
Yes,
superstars, but not a team out of it. Actually,
absolutely.
it's completely
Yes,
full of
but
not a team.
Cristiano, he would also look for a team which suits his philosophy. But Chelsea is not that team at the moment, and he also said earlier that he would like to move to Man United again, but that's also a very bleak possibility. So Real Madrid and PSG are the only options for him right
So
now.
Real won't sign
They're
Ronaldo
viable
obviously
options.
because they have done too much of future investment. They have Rodrigo and this Havertz thing is entirely under
Yes,
Real's pocket.
yes,
So
I know, but Perez knew that he had done a mistake by selling Cristiano, and he
yeah,
might want to rectify it at the moment because Vinicius Rodrigo, although they are very good youngsters potentially, but they are still very young. So Ronaldo, if he comes in, he would Hazard, Ronaldo, Benzema, they can form a lethal attack, and Vinicius Rodrigo are still only Rodrigo is only 18 years old. So and Bale is also going to be sold to Newcastle or or any other club. And so Real are also planning to sell Rodriguez and Isco. So they are overhauling the team, and if Ronaldo comes in, that would be a good transfer for them to make sure that they continue to with their surge in the league and also in the UCL.
Absolutely, but I can tell you this: if by any chance Ronaldo comes to Chelsea, there'll surely be a big contender for the next season's Premier League title. What do you think on this?
But we have to also see how Lampard makes things work
Yeah,
because
exactly. Because they have too much of attackers, and
he's
it's
still
really
still an he's still an inexperienced manager, so he will have to look for ways in which to integrate Ronaldo into the squad if he comes.
but the way Lampard, Peter Cech, and Marina have made their transfers is really impressive, and the way Chelsea are spending money this summer is too much extravagant. What
And
do you think?
Chelsea at the moment they need Ben Chilwell and a commanding centre back who can also lead the team. Someone like Ruben Diaz. They can
Exactly.
surely go for two of them, and that would be a better
Option than signing
strategy, I
Ronaldo,
think,
because
for them.
Ronaldo, 120 million euros for Ronaldo is obviously not better than spending this money in two parts for Chilwell and a commanding centre back like Ruben Diaz. They can do
But
future investment and
actually, that spending on Ronaldo will be a short-term fix, and what
exactly,
Chelsea are looking for is a long-term fix.
because
Fix.
that's always been
So
the
for
policy. Future
if they buy Chilwell and Ruben Diaz, all their team will be set and they will be serious contenders next season. And so that will be a long-term fix, and that will help them in the long run.
exactly. But we can't quite ignore Marca's comments on this, because Marca actually didn't reveal it. They actually were involved in all
But
this. So,
I also I don't think that Marsa all I've seen that their news is always not very reliable. We have seen it in the past, and they are a Spanish media. Spanish media hypes a lot. They
exactly,
try to gain popularity by doing that. Not saying that Marsa always gives fake news, but just to build the hype, and the
exactly.
transfer window is coming. So these kind of rumors are very common, and we have seen it over the past seasons. And transfer of Ronaldo is always very, very interesting and uh, very interesting for every fan. And we are looking forward to it. What happens in the upcoming transfer window?
Exactly, because you know that Neymar, but at the same time, we have to consider that Neymar couldn't have joined PSG because there was no hype about it. There was no talk in the town about it, but still, it somehow happened. So, football is very unpredictable. We don't know what happens when. So, let's see what happens. It's entirely on Ronaldo's fall right now, because Chelsea have
Yeah,
made the offer.
Ronaldo
Let's see.
wants to stay, he stays. If he doesn't want to stay, he leaves.
Yes, exactly. So it's Ronaldo's call whether he joins Chelsea or not. Meanwhile, thank you guys. Thanks for watching Fubogen, and keep watching Fubogen and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the like button, press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.